Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about one of the startups of India, Ather Energy. It is looking to change the game in the Indian market with the smart scooter, the Ather 450. This scooter is completely electric and runs on a lithium-ion battery. Considering India as the world's biggest market for two-wheelers, this startup aims to make inroads into the market by educating the public about the benefits of using an electric vehicle. Beginnings. Ather Energy was founded by Tarun Mehta and Swapnil Jain in 2013, both of whom are alumni of the prestigious Indian Institute of Technology Madras. Before starting Ather Energy, they worked at Ashok Leyland and General Motors respectively, both of which are automakers. After leaving their jobs, the duo returned to their alma mater to work on an efficient lithium-ion battery pack, which in turn paved the way to their first product, the Ather S340. This vehicle had a digital touchscreen dashboard, a light chassis, and the capability to reach speeds up to 75 km/h. Funding and growth. Starting up in uncharted territories is no easy task and requires funding as well. The same was the case with Ather Energy, as they had no resources to begin with, especially working in the laboratories of IIT Madras. However, as luck would have it, Ather Energy received a grant of Rs 45 lakhs from the Technology Development Board under the Department of Science and Technology IITM. Ather Energy's biggest break came in 2015 when venture capital firm Tiger Global invested $12 million. This funding allowed the founders to invest in developing, testing, producing, and launching their first electric scooter, the Ather S340. However, when the Ather S340 was released in the market, it saw low demand, with customers showing interest in the Ather 450, a higher powered and premium offering. This led to Ather Energy discontinuing the entry-level offering Ather S340 and instead working on the Ather 450. The future. Hero MotoCorp, an Indian scooter or motorcycle manufacturer, was looking to make inroads into the electric vehicle industry. Therefore, the company invested $30 million to own a 30% stake in Ather Energy and also to work on their own lineup of electric bikes. This partnership is mutually beneficial, as Hero MotoCorp can leverage Ather's homegrown technology and participate in the electric vehicle space, as well as pursue their internal program. Ather Energy, on the other hand, can utilize Hero MotoCorp's distribution network. Ather Energy also signed a memorandum of understanding with the Tamil Nadu government to set up a future capable of producing 1 lakh units of vehicles. This is in addition to the already existing 25,000 unit capacity plant operational in Bengaluru. The Ather 450 has features like navigation, reverse gear, fast charging up to 80% at 1 km/min, fastest electric scooter in India with speed 90 km/h, and retails at a price of Rs 1,23,213 Bangalore. It will be great to see Ather Energy's products on Indian streets as awareness amongst the Indian public regarding the various benefits of electric vehicles increases. There are only two models available of Ather electric scooters, Ather 450 Plus, Ather 450X. Subscribe to my channel, do share and like this video.